Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 26 feet in meter 8 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall. And we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and some large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this whole area. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and a attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have wash basin here. Also we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the 2-bedroom tiny house design you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.